This is a Code 1 2000 Model E smoke alarm with the escape light. This is a very unusual and I personally think kind of rare alarm because I haven't seen these in too many houses, and the only really documented version of this particular tooling is a kidda alarm. So it's interesting to know that there is a Code 1 version that exists. And funnily enough, this is the exact same thing as the kidda one, just minus the kidda sticker on the back. So, and of course, this thing just has your typical test button here. It's typical Jameson Code 1 2000 design. You get your test button here, the standard 5 lines going down the base, well, the face of the shell. And then you get your escape light here, which isn't normally on a Jameson alarm. And this is the piezo vent, where the piezo sound comes out of course. And on the back, I had to make a repair to this because this thing was so brittle when I had to open it, because this thing unfortunately had the broken horn issue, which falls upon most Jamesons. So I had to open it, but when I opened it, the clips broke because the plastic was so weak after 30 years of just sitting in a home. And I do have the mounting bracket for this. It's just mounted on my wall on my test board. And of course, this is your alarm power battery. This is your escape light batteries. It's interesting that you didn't use a 9-volt. I mean, I guess it makes sense. It must just be a 3-volt light bulb. But of course, there's your light bulb right there, and manufacture date there. But yeah, it's just pretty interesting. And of course, I'll go ahead and test it. There's not really much to this overview because this one is very basic. But I'll go ahead and test it. And of course, this one, just like the Black & Decker's, has the pulsating escape light. Very nice Code 1 sound. I love that. But yeah, that is the Jameson Code 1 2000 Model E.